Are you ready for a major crypto shift? Bitcoin sitting here at 58,000 markets on edge. Will we lose this key level? Will we bounce from this level? Loads to cover right here in today's video, but also there's an important shift going on with a certain type of altcoin, which I need to make you guys aware. If you like this type of content, smash all the likes. Do not forget to subscribe. As you can see, Bitcoin here, range bound, right? Really in this consolidation we've been talking about for a long period of time, spending a lot of time in this red box. This red box is one which Bitcoin loves, right? Between 56,000 up towards 61,500. This is a box we drew a long time ago, guys. This box has really been respected by crypto for a very long time. This is not just recently we're here. If I zoom out to the weekly chart here, you guys will see how important this red box is, dating all the way back to March of 2021 when we ran up to 64,000, and then later in 2021 when we ran up to the 69,000. This is very important support resistance level. And what we're seeing when you zoom out here on the weekly chart is Bitcoin is coming in to retest this level. It's testing the eBay ribbon, it's testing support from the red box, it's testing all the support around this kind of 60,000 level and trying to see if we can bounce, right? Fundamentally, that is the main focus behind what we're seeing right now. The other thing that is also worth noting is we're still in this big consolidation pattern. Until we lose this consolidation pattern, I said in my last video, there is no need to panic. No need to panic. But it's also worth you going and watching my video from a couple of days ago where I explain why this is happening. Why is it that traditional markets are quite positive, right? If you look at traditional markets, Q2 earnings season is all but wrapped up. I think it's like 7 companies left to deliver earnings, and they all kind of smashed it, right? The market's feeling really positive. They expect Jerome Powell to go and cut rates. I mean, if we jump on over here to the US markets, another nice green day, right? Nasdaq up another 1.1%, S&P up another percent. This market is ready for the Fed rate cut, and they're excited. But what's more important is they also understand that we could be getting a soft landing, right? The fears around, are we crash landing? Are we going to need a double rate cut? They're starting to slowly dissipate. They think that Jerome Powell's got this under control. And the PCE inflation figure which just came out also shows that, it's kind of calm. We came in at estimates feeling okay. And so ultimately we got this market in this position where it's getting ready. But why is then crypto struggling? Why are we starting to see a difficult period in crypto? I covered that off in that video explaining the fact that, look, when markets are about to rotate risk on, they're looking for the easy gain. Crypto is not the easy gain. If you imagine all the people in previous cycles, it was all retail guys like you and I who want a crazy return. Now, because we've invited big institutions and ETFs into the crypto hemisphere, guess what? They're not as risky as us. They'll come into the ETF when they're looking for a yield, but when they don't need a yield and they can see an easy few bucks in the Nasdaq or the S&P like I just shared with you, they're going to take that. So it's important to understand that that money, the BlackRock, Fidelity, Wisdom, all that kind of ETF funds, expected to be quite fleeting. Expected to just be, look, we just want a return. If that return's easy to get from the S&P, we'll get it from the S&P. If it's easy to get from the Nasdaq, we'll get it from Nasdaq. Whereas a lot of people watching this type of content, retail crypto people like you and I, we love crypto, right? We want to hold crypto and be in it for the long run. Like, we're not doing that. We're not going, I'm going to get out of Bitcoin right now because I want to get in the S&P. We're not doing it like that, right? We're in crypto. So it's important to understand that dynamic. The other thing I wanted to share with you, which is very noticeable, particularly today, and I took some trades on this in my Telegram group. If you guys want to see my trades, make sure in our Telegram community, jarscrypto.com/TG. I'm taking some short-term trades, like quick couple of hour trades, but I also take those swing trades. So depending on how much time you guys have and how much time you can commit to it, there's something for you. So check it out. Link will be in the description. Aldi up 13.6%. You see Sats is also up 6.2%. Rats as well. What are we noticing this pattern, guys? Dogs, we are noticing this is the BRC20 pattern. If you haven't seen or understood what BRC20 is, type in my name, Ijaz, BRC20. I've done an ultimate guide explaining what this is. This is a new token standard. It's been around for a little while now. I think about 6, 7, 8, probably about 8, 9 months by now. But go watch my video. I break it all down. This narrative is heating up at the moment. And again, if you want to invest in crypto, if you want to trade in crypto, you need to know when the shifts are happening. When is money rotating away from Bitcoin into layer 1s? When is it rotating from layer 1s into layer 2s? When is it rotating from layer 2s into BRC20 plays? And you've got to catch those trends. If you're not ready for those trends, you're going to get yourself caught out. You're going to miss all the gains. You're going to wonder why other people are printing, showing you all these screenshots of making money, and yet you're sat there going, it's not doing anything, it's not doing anything. You've got to catch the narratives. Crypto's all about narratives. 1 minute's meme coins, then it's about gaming tokens, then it's about NFT plays, then it's about BRC20 tokens. You've got to be able to catch it. The other thing that's also worth mentioning is look at the fear and greed index. This is sitting here at 26. And you guys know I like to look at the fear and greed index, not because it gives me some great stats or great data, no. But it just gives me a feel of the sentiment. Remember, it's my job to buy when other people are fearful. And right now, people are not FOMOing in, right? Price is still around 60,000, 58.4, who cares? But look, when this candlestick was hitting this price at 73,000, there was a lot of FOMO, guys. You've just come off the streak here of coming as low as kind of 25, 27 level. Boom, all the way up to 73. Green candles everywhere. Fear and greed index, super greedy. Those are not the times I want to buy. Those are the times I want to be a net seller or trimming profits, right? Rotating out some risky plays into more stable plays, maybe getting some stable coins. That's what I want to be doing. Right now is the opposite, as my rule of thumb. When people are fearful, I want to be a net adder. I want to be a net DCA. I want to be adding to my positions right now. And again, I'm going to go with that thesis and do that here within the EMA ribbon. Again, any pullbacks all the way down right here, even, and don't be surprised to see it wick below there as well on the weekly chart. But anything but down to this level at 53,000, I don't mind it. It's still within this pattern, and this is still a bullish continuation pattern with the potential of getting us up towards the 90,000, 100,000 marking on Bitcoin. I'm not going to let a consolidation pattern shake me out. I'm not. There are two ways people get shaken out. One, they get shaken out by fear. The price swings and chops and changes, and you look at your portfolio as painful and you sell. The other way you panic sell, boredom. You get bored by this sideways movement all the way since March. 6 months in crypto. Crypto's supposed to be this exciting thing that makes millionaires overnight, right? Not if you can't be patient, not if you don't have conviction, not if you don't DCA, not if you don't hold to your truths and play the long game. You're not going to get it overnight. This is 6 months of a consolidation. So when you DCA, and then it moves all the way up to 90, 100,000, you're going to earn it. Don't let the other people tell you, oh, you were lucky, you just got into crypto. No, if you saw this period through here, and even worse, if you saw the bear market of down at 15,500, you deserve every single penny of navigating this and investing in this. But you've got to be ready for those shifts. So we're getting closer and closer to the rate cut, that pivot, dollar index heading to the downside, right? We need that to continue to head to the downside. That is going to show us that risk is rotating off. Very important chart. Continue to watch this. Look, it's trying to bounce. Look at that weekly candle it posted last week. It's trying to hold on to its exponential moving average. You know, no surprise, right? And it's also got some support of this green line too. But we need to send the dollar index in this direction. We don't want it to do this. If it does this, bad for crypto, expect lower prices. If it does this, good for crypto, expect higher prices for Bitcoin and altcoins. Hope you guys are enjoying this market. If you like this type of content, smash all the likes. Do not forget to subscribe. If you actively want to trade with me, if you want to take trades with me on altcoins, jump into Telegram community, jarscrypto.com/TG. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.